Click on the link below to get price. The WERHY Electric Bike for Adults is an impressive combination of performance, portability, and style, making it a standout option in the burgeoning e-bike market. Equipped with a powerful 500W motor, this bike reaches a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour, which is ideal for both commuting and leisurely rides. The motor provides ample torque for tackling hills, while maintaining a smooth and enjoyable ride on flat terrains. One of the most appealing features of the WERHY Electric Bike is its folding design, allowing for effortless storage and transport. Whether you live in a small apartment or frequently use public transportation, this bike's compact form makes it an excellent option. Folding and unfolding the bike is straightforward and only takes a matter of seconds, which is a significant advantage for those on the go. The build quality is commendable, with a sturdy frame that feels durable and reliable. The bike can support a substantial weight capacity, making it suitable for a range of riders. The adjustable seat and handlebars provide a customizable fit, ensuring comfort during longer rides. Battery life is another highlight of the WERHY e-bike. The removable lithium-ion battery offers a decent range, allowing riders to travel up to 30 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode used and the terrain. Charging is quick and convenient, meaning you can easily recharge at home or at work without much hassle. Additionally, the bike features front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various conditions, and the 20-inch wheels offer a balance of stability and maneuverability. The inclusion of LED lights enhances visibility and safety during nighttime rides. While the bike is impressive overall, it may still benefit from a few additional features, such as a built-in display for tracking speed and battery life. Nonetheless, the WERHY Electric Bike for Adults presents an excellent blend of performance, convenience, and affordability, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to delve into electric biking.